Hello ShoppersNet viewers. Here's our wall control for our garage door. It just blinks, but if you push the button, it doesn't open the garage door nor close the garage door. So we're looking at our Chamberlain MyQ garage door opener. We've had it for less than a year. Now we've run into this problem and we're looking to fix it. So let's actually take a look. You can see the back, you can see all the wiring above the yellow button. And that's what we'll be working on to try to get this fixed. Alright, here's an important thing to remember. If you need to remove wires throughout the course of the video, you need to push the tabs down with a flathead screwdriver and then pull the wire out. Otherwise, you might break a wire and you'll have some difficulty getting it out. Now, if you need to buy parts, keep in mind this one has a yellow button over here, and that will be important to trying to choose the right part. So before we start, let's always pull the power off and let's diagnose the problem. When the wall control is blinking, it could be one of three problems. One, the wall control has gone bad. Two, the cable that connects the wall control has gone bad. And three, could be potentially the controller board, which will be more expensive. So here we've removed the wall control and we're looking at it from the back, and what we're going to do is do the quick test to see if there's a wiring problem. If it's a wiring problem, we don't need to buy anything. We might just need to fix or change the wiring. Let's connect the leads and do a test. Here we have the leads connected, and if you can see over here, we put red for the red one and we use a brown for the other one. And let me flip this over so you can get to see the back. You can see when we wired it up, red is red, white is actually brown in this case, since we had a brown lead laying around. And we need to plug this into the back of the garage door opener. So we have these leads where we've pulled the ends off. Now we can actually stick that into the garage door opener. Now we connect these directly to the garage door opener, plug in the power, and we're ready to see the result. Unfortunately, the problem has not changed. The light is still blinking, and if we push the button, it does not activate the garage door opener. This rules out wiring as the problem. It still could be the controller board or the wall control. Let's take a chance and buy a wall control for this model and see if that solves the problem. If that doesn't work, then the controller board might need to be changed, which will be a lot more expensive. Alright, we picked this up from Amazon. It's around $10, and it's a wall control aftermarket one that works with this model garage door opener. And it comes with an instruction sheet which reminds you to push the button 3 times to synchronize it with the garage door opener. What's special about this replacement one is it's an aftermarket one. It has a button on the right side to actually control the light, so that's a bonus feature. This item was advertised as using a battery, which had us wondering a little bit about why you would need one and the need to replace it. So we're going to open this thing up and actually check to see if it has a battery and if it needs to be replaced. Here we have the old and new on the right hand side wall control side by side. You see the light button, the new one. Both the old one on the left and the new one on the right are roughly the same size. And now just to check to see if there is a battery, we opened the new one, took the board out, and this is what you see. This is where the button's on the left, the light switch is on the lower right hand bottom. You can see the little white part over there. And if I flip this over, you can see it is model GDR29, ready to install. So let's pull the power again, and let's go over and wire this thing up. We've wired this up and paying attention to the red wire and white wire, making sure we have that correct, and wrap the wire around the screw. Make sure the wire does not stick out of the screw. Next, we're going to actually mount this back on the wall. Let's go do that right now, and then we're going to put the power on. Here, we've mounted it back on the wall. It's not getting power, so we're going to plug in the power and see if it will work. Power is in. You can see light from the garage door opener. Now, let me hit the button 3 times and push again, and we can see the garage door opener actually, while it blinks, it opens the garage door. So we're going to push the button to close it, and while it sometimes blinks, it actually closes the garage door. So that's a job well done. Now let's actually explore a little bit more on the light button. If we push the button, we can see that the garage door light comes on, and if we tap it again, it goes off. So works as designed. This simple push button switch makes it easy to turn on and off the light. Not only did we fix the garage door wall control, we also upgraded our wall control to have a light switch.
Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If so, please tap the thumbs up. We'll be having more great videos to come. Please subscribe so you don't miss out.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.